Good morning, respected professors. We are a team of five from School of Computer Science at Vellore Institute of Technology. Our project title is Freight Product Identification using QR code. Our team members are Sarthi P, Rakesh Kumar K, Hariharan M, Vigneshwar B, and Gautam M. We have carried out this project under valuable guidelines of Mr. Rapati Yashwant from Scope Department. Let's see the outline part. Introduction and related works and gaps and problem statement and objectives and existing model and proposed model, finally conclusion and reference. I am excited to share a cool idea to solve a big problem like fake products. Imagine that you are buying a new toy or anything, but in India, the fake products casually huge loss over 1 trillion per year. They can also unsafe and make people lost trust. So our solution is used to call something like blockchain and QR code to make sure product. The existing solution like QR code, RFID and AI are not fully secured and scalable. So we propose the better solution combining a QR code with blockchain technology to track and verify the product throughout the supply chain. Let's move to the importance and applications. Our system is used for many reasons. First, it allows the customer to scan our QR code and check if the product is genuine. Second, the blockchain stores the tamper-proof data, so no one can alter the product history. This improves the customer safety and protect brand. Third, it builds the trust among the parties, customer, manufacturers, and suppliers. Finally, its QR code copied, the system can detect mismatch in supply chain and alter use. The previous system using just QR codes has major problems. The QR code can be copied or reused. The AI-based system needs a lot of computing power which make impractical for small businesses. Also, customer had no direct way to verify the product authenticity. And finally, the order model did not offer full transparency across the supply chain. Let's see the challenges. The QR code misuse risk. The QR code can be easily copied and reused if not verified properly. The blockchain complexity. It requires technical knowledge and setup like wallets, small contract for users. Let's move to the summary of gaps in literature study. To sum up, the extinction method were not secure, not customer friendly, not scalable. That's why there is need for more reliable and decentralized. Let me share about how the system works. It's simple. We use blockchain like digital lock to store the product details. For every product, there will be a unique QR code like fingerprint linked to the blockchain. And customer, shops, and companies can scan the QR code to check if the product is real. We use the platform like Ethereum for blockchain, a tool called Web3.js to connect everything, and React.js to make user-friendly app. It's like super mod app that keeps fake product out. Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Kumar. Today I am here to explain the problem statement and objective of our project. Nowadays, fake or duplicate products have become a serious problem in many industries, including medicines, electronics, and fashion. Most companies use QR codes to help customers verify if a product is original. But now, this method is not secure enough because QR code can be copied and reused by fraudsters. To solve this issue, I have planned a system that combines QR code scanning with blockchain technology. So, when someone scans the QR code on product, they can immediately check its full verified history stored on the blockchain. This makes it much more difficult for fraud products to enter the market. Next, we are going to discuss about our objective of our project. First, the main goal is to build a secure system using blockchain. The system will store product and supply chain data in a tamper-proof way that no one can edit or fake. Second, we can want to link a unique QR code with new product. This QR code will connect directly to the product's verified blockchain history. Thirdly, the system will allow customers and retailers to check whether a product is genuine or not instantly just by scanning the QR code. Fourth, we aim to prevent misuse of QR codes.
If someone tries to reuse or clone a QR code in a different location or for a different products, the system will detect it. Finally, we want to make sure all stakeholders, manufacturers, suppliers, and customers can independently track and verify the product movement without needing a middleman. Thank you.
Yeah, I am Saradi. Now I am going to explain existing methodology. In the existing system, both manufacturers and customers log into a platform. The manufacturer adds product details and generates a QR code for the product. The data is stored in the centralized database and partially backed by blockchain. The data is stored in the centralized database and partially backed by blockchain. When a customer scans the QR code, the system checks whether the product is original or fake based on the stored data. While the approach offers a basic verification, it has some limitations, like QR codes can be copied and reused on the fake products. The system relies heavily on the central database, which can be compromised. Now I explain our proposed methodology. Our proposed solution was we move to a fully decentralized system powered by Ethereum blockchain. All stakeholders like manufacturers, suppliers, and customers are involved in the process. First, both manufacturer and suppliers add product details to the system. The manufacturer generates a QR code and adds products to the system. The supplier scans the code and confirms the transaction and block is added to the blockchain. The customer can then scan the QR code and view the complete history of the product from manufacturing to delivery. We also introduce a verification server. It helps in detecting copying QR codes. If fake products uses a duplicate QR code, it will be identified immediately. Key benefits of proposed our system. Enhanced security with wallet integration and blockchain. Complete traceability of a product from origin to customer. Decentralized data storage, reducing reliance on central database. Efficient detection of fake or tampered products using verification server. Improved trust and transparency across entire supply chain. To sum up, the proposed methodology offers a more robust, transparent, and tamper-proof solution using blockchain and smart contracts. If effectively addresses the limitations of the existing system, ensures product authenticity for end users. Thank you.
Here it will show the login pages. Hello everyone, myself Igneswar. I am here to explain technologies to be used in blockchain technology, fake product detection using QR code. Firstly, blockchain technology Ethereum. We are using Ethereum as our blockchain platform. It offers a decentralized and immutable ledger, which means once data is added, it cannot be tampered with. Every step in the product supply chain is recorded as a block, ensuring transparency and traceability. Smart contracts, Solidity. Smart contracts are coded in Solidity, the language used for Ethereum. These contracts enforce rules like validating entries from suppliers and manufacturers. They automatically execute when certain conditions are met, making the system more secure and efficient. QR integration. Each product gets unique QR code. This QR code links the product blockchain record. Customers can scan it. Web3.js library connects the React.js frontend with the Ethereum blockchain, allows reading from and writing to smart contracts via the browser. MetaMask wallet, a browser-based crypto wallet extension used by the manufacturers and suppliers to sign and approve blockchain transactions securely. React.js frontend framework builds the interactive user interface, provides dedicated dashboards for manufacturers, suppliers, and customers. SQL database
stores login credentials and non-blockchain data, ensures user authentication and access control. By the summary of technology used, these technologies work together to build a secure, transparent, and efficient supply chain solution. By combining blockchain with QR, smart contracts, and a friendly UI, we bring trust and traceability to the end users.
In conclusion, our system offers a modern, secure, and scalable solution to combat product counterfeiting. It combines blockchain and QR codes to ensure real-time verification, transparency, and trust. This only protects consumers and brands, but also sets the foundations for use in areas like healthcare, e-commerce, and logistics. In short, our system stops fake products, keep people safe, and build trust. It's secure, easy to use, and can work for things like medicines, toys, or even online shopping. I believe this idea can make a big difference. Thank you for listening, and I am happy to answer my questions.